moon holders. So this time the SafeMoon is completely, and the previous time fails down. What's the update? You can see, my brother, this time the update is on the screen without any time waste. Let's start this brand video, but kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time 17%, 17.46% SafeMoon is fails down. So what's SafeMoon? SafeMoon mean to they safely go to the moon. But definitely you can see at the current time they are go to, my friend. I'm sorry, but I'm very excited because my brother say I'm also holder of SafeMoon. So what's the update? What we do at this current time? What's the prediction, my friend? Let's see. But first of all, I gotta show you, my friend, this time the market cap and fully diluted market cap change occur. 17% market cap is fails down, and fully diluted market cap is also 17.44%. They fails down. So if you check out this time, the volume is absolutely be positive. 41.99% they moving upwards, so definitely it's mean to the price is in the profit, my brother. But definitely this is good news for all of you, my brother. I cannot expect also this, but this is reality, my brother. You can see here the SafeMoon travel, my brother. SafeMoon as absolutely go to the moon, my brother, completely in the start of this. You can see here, my brother, in the start of just in the start of this coin, my brother. You can see here they completely go to the moon, and very impressive coin, my friend, especially for all of you. If you know about the SafeMoon, exactly, my friend, SafeMoon is one of the impressive coin in the crypto market. They, when they're starting moving upward, then definitely they're moving like a rocket, and exactly this is very exciting moment. You can see, my friend, especially in the last year when they take a jump, exactly. Sorry. In the last month when they jump, my friends, they completely go to the moon, my brother. So if you can see here this time exactly, my friend, this time the very terrible condition, they're completely in the negative. It's mean to they are in the lost. Yeah, exactly. If you check out the last 7 days chart, then absolutely, especially in the first 7 days, this coin is completely falls down, and completely all holders is in the lost. So what we do in this terrible condition, if they fails down, if we are in the loss, then which decision, my friends, we take to we or be safe from loss? Absolutely, a lot of holders cannot understand this, but definitely, my friend, ABS Tech channel, one of the unique channel today, will ask they will tell you, my brother, to what we do in this terrible condition, my brother. So first of all, my friends, we see this latest live data, and after this, my friends, we decide to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. The live SafeMoon price today is 0.00006 USD with a last 24-hour trading volume as 34 billion USD dollar, and SafeMoon is down. Oh my goodness, SafeMoon is down 17% in last 24 hours. SafeMoon is down 17% in last 24 hours. You can see here this time. All right, so the current coin market cap ranking, as you can see here, my friends, 202. You can see here, my friends, this time the rank. All right, so with a live market cap of 3 billion, 3 billion, yes, 3 billion USD dollar. All right, it has a circulating supply of 58 billion, my brother. You can see here SafeMoon coins, and the max supply is not available. Yes, supply is not available, but I already show you in the start of this video. So it's mean, my brother, to 17% if they fails down in the last 1 hour. So if we starting selling in the current time, exactly, we are completely in the loss. So this is not absolutely, my friend, make sure to this is not a selling time. So what's the time, my brother? This is holding time or buying time? Exactly, my brother, this is not a buying time. So it's mean to this is holding time. If you want to buy, then kindly wait a few days, my friend. When they're starting moving upward, then absolutely ABS Tech channel is update you, and absolutely this time is the good time when they're starting moving upward. So I request you, I just advise you, my brother, this is not a financial video, remember. I just advise you to kindly, when they're starting moving upward, then definitely it's a good time to you starting buying. Hold it, wait for the end of this month, and I hope, my friends, the price will be double now at the end of month. So you need to hold and absolutely wait for the end of month. This time you can say, how do you feel about SafeMoon today? So we feel, my friends, very bad, but let's see, my friends, to how many people is feeling good. So let's click on the good. But my friends, I know people are still very badly feel, my friend, this time in the current condition is going to be very terrible. So thanks for watching, SafeMoon holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hold it, don't sell it, and also like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.